To integrate different payment gateways on Shopbase. Start by accessing your Shopbase admin dashboard and navigating to the Settings section. From there, click on Payments to view a list of available payment gateways. Shopbase supports a wide range of payment gateways including PayPal, Stripe, and Square. To add a new payment gateway, click on the Add Payment Method button and select the gateway you want to integrate. You will be prompted to enter your account credentials and other relevant information to complete the setup process. For example, to integrate PayPal, you will need to enter your PayPal email address and API credentials. Once you have added a payment gateway, you can configure its settings to suit your business needs. This includes setting the payment method name, description, and transaction fees. You can also enable or disable the payment gateway as needed. In addition to integrating individual payment gateways, Shopbase also allows you to integrate multiple payment gateways at once. This is useful if you want to offer your customers a range of payment options. To do this, simply repeat the process of adding a new payment method for each gateway you want to integrate. Best practices for integrating payment gateways on Shopbase include ensuring that you have the necessary account credentials and information before starting the setup process, testing each payment gateway to ensure it is working correctly, and regularly reviewing and updating your payment gateway settings to ensure they remain secure and up to date. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily integrate different payment gateways on Shopbase and provide your customers with a seamless and secure checkout experience. This will help to increase customer satisfaction and drive sales for your business.